Now I'm hiding away in my room, waiting for the boys to leave. So I also had a scare this morning because I could not find my bank card. And the last time I had it was Thursday, I think, when I was getting gas. And it was nowhere in sight. I couldn't find it in my purse. I couldn't find it in the truck. I had no idea where it was. Silly me. Then remembered that I put it in my pants, so I checked the laundry basket. Thank goodness I hadn't done laundry yet, and it was in there. So, yay for not doing laundry. Happy Monday, everyone! Hopefully this video is some cleaning motivation for you. This is my realistic weekend cleaning, and my son had some friends over, and they played some Dungeons and Dragons, and they watched some scary Halloween movies and ate up all my food in the house. You know how it is. But hopefully you enjoy seeing me relax a little bit and my house a little bit more messy, because I know that I kind of run a tight ship through the week and I don't allow a lot of chaos. But on the weekends, it gets kind of crazy. I kind of relax and just say, you know what, I'll do it on Monday. Let's enjoy family time. Hopefully you guys like this video, and if you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. How creepy are these birds? We woke up and our sky was filled with these black birds, I guess migrating in the farm behind our house. What a perfect segue to carving pumpkins.